Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make something very easy. I'm going to teach you how to make an anklet, a leg chain, using sand beads. So this is the ones I've made. So the materials you're going to need for this project are your bead, sand bead, any color of your choice. You're going to need the fishing line, and you're going to need a stopper. So these are the basic things you need, and of course you need your tape rule and your scissors. So to get started, you're going to have to measure out your ankle to know how many it is. For me, my ankle, the circumference of my ankle is 10 inches, but I am going to cut out 11.5 inches so that I have something as an allowance to work with. So I'm going to cut out 11 inches. So guys, I've cut out my 11 inches. What I'm going to do now is, this is my stopper. This is my stopper. I'm going to pass this. I'm going to pass this into the stopper, the fishing line. Then I'm going to look for a very tiny bead. Very tiny bead. Put it inside. And then I'm going to tie a knot here. The reason why you're putting in a tiny bead is so that the fishing line will not come out of the stopper because it's very tiny. So the tiny bead acts as a second stopper for the fishing line. So I'm tying a knot. So guys, I've tied the knots. See, it's not coming out. I'm just going to cut out this excess thread, and then I'll start putting in my bead into my fishing line. So guys, we're going to start beading now. So this is how I do mine. So I keep doing it this way. Keep doing it this way until I'm able to fill up the fishing line with sand beads. So this is really simple. This is easy. This is something you can do in your spare time. If you don't have anything doing, you can just pick up this and start making. And after making this, you can put it up for sale. It's a skill. Put it up for sale. And I tell you, ladies like fashion. They like fashion, so they would buy. So this is what we're going to keep doing until we get to the bottom. So guys, as you can see, I filled it up. So I'm going to repeat the same process I did when I started. I'm going to put this now, the fishing line, into my stopper again. Then I'm going to put a very tiny bead, and then I'm going to tie a knot to secure it. So see, this is easy, so easy. You can make as many as you like in a day, and then you put it up for sale. If you're a student, oh, you know your girls that likes fashion, you gladly buy. I'm going to put this on now so you can see what it looks like on my ankle.